Alabama Heritage Homes Reagan plan is under construction with similar pictures posted. This home is estimated for completion in June and is 2560 square feet priced at $269,900. Full brick rancher with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, formal living and dining rooms and 3-car garage. Dining room features tray ceiling, crown molding with indirect lighting, chair rail, beauty boxes and hardwood flooring. Formal living room features French doors, crown molding and hardwood flooring. Kitchen complete with crown molding, custom wood cabinets, granite countertops, tumbled stone backsplash, stainless steel Maytag appliances, pendant and recessed lighting. Breakfast area features crown molding and ceramic tile. Great room features crown molding, 36-inch ventless gas log fireplace with custom mantle and tile surround, recessed lighting and hardwood flooring. Master suite features tray ceiling with crown molding and indirect lighting. Glamour bath with whirlpool, separate shower, double vanities